one of the princess's royal guards, anyway. Is the pay good? Hello? Anybody home? Ooh, you're good. Too good. I'm bored.
Phew, made it.
Halt! Who goes there?
No one. Never mind. I'll go home.
It's all right, sirs. She's on the list.
Thanks, Twilight.
I'm so glad you could make it, Fluttershy. It wouldn't be the same without you.
How's every pony doing? Good? Good.
Anything else we can get for you, dearies? Oh, I mean, esteemed guests.
Everything is fine, Mr. and Mrs. Cake.
Sorry I'm late. I had to finish taking care of a patient first.
Oh, you and your tender, loving care of little animals. I just know Princess Celestia is gonna love that about you. I mean, I hope she will. I mean, of course she will.
Wow, Twilight. I thought I was the only one who got nervous at social gatherings.
Oh, it's not that. I just want the princess to approve of my friends.
But she's met us all before.
And read about you in my letters. But this is the first time she spent any real time with you. I want every pony to make a good impression.
Well, I'm sure you have nothing to worry about. Besides, it's just a casual get-together, right?
Don't touch me! Watch the dress! Careful! You're gonna spill that on me! Oh, that looks delicious. What is it? Oh, does it stain? Keep it away from me!
Or perhaps not that casual.
Which is the salad and which is the appetizer again? And which am I supposed to eat first? Oh, never mind. I'm not hungry.
It's okay, Twilight. So our friend's manners aren't perfect. I doubt the princess will even notice. Oh, chocolate fountainy goodness. You gonna eat that?
1,000 pardons, Your Majesty.
That's quite all right, thank you.
Empty teacup at 4 o'clock!
I see it, honey bun.
Oh, thank you.
Not at all, Your Highness.
Thank you again.
Oh, but of course, Your Majesty.
Gotcha.
Oh.
And what about you, dear? Fluttershy, is it?
Me? Oh, yes, Your Highness.
I understand from Twilight Sparkle's letters that you enjoy tending to the needs of woodland creatures.
Yes, I love to take care of animals.
As do I. As princess, I care deeply about all creatures, great and small. Nothing means more to me than the well-being of all my subjects. Ah, Philomena, my pet. You're awake. Do say hello to our gracious hosts.
Oh, my.
She is quite a sight, isn't she?
I've never seen anything like it.
Really? Well, if I must. I'm sorry, every pony. I'm afraid I have to cut the party short. The mayor has requested an audience with me. Royal duty calls. Thank you for a wonderful time. It's been a joy getting to know you all better.
Phew! Now I can eat something. I'm starved.
Stay right where you are. All I want is a clear path to the exit. Nobody move, and my dress won't get hurt. Stay back! Back, I say!
Spike. I don't know for sure how things went with the princess, but at least no big disasters happened.